Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Lelit Bianca Espresso machine. It comes to us with some issues, and when I test the machine I find out it needs to clean up all the group head, and the machine needs a tune-up, and also I replaced some of the pistons, and I did service the steam assembly. Descaled the machine twice after I replaced. This is the safety valve, the boiler safety valve, and this is the vacuum release valve get replaced also. And I did soak all the parts in the rest of the parts in here, shaved it and cleaned it deep, the mushroom valve here, and this is the gasket for the mushroom valve. This is the shower screen, the old one, and the gasket, so it get also replaced. And there's some other parts get replaced too, so let's go ahead and test it, make a espresso shot on it. As you can see, it's at between 9 and 10. That's good enough. Get this beautiful shot with thick crema, 3 layers of coffee. So let's test the steamer. That works great. And the hot water. That works perfectly. And I also forget to mention that I took off the water level sensor probe. I shaved it, cleaned it, and reseal it back. So that's all. I believe the machine needs a new water softener. It works okay with it now, but I recommended a new one. Thank you for watching.